No! I've just realised I'm 34. And this has been so long since I've freaking talked to the camera, especially in public with people around. Anyway. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Good pee.
It was nice, thanks.
Nice. Season 2, episode 2.
And we are at Beetle Bank Farm.
Spit it out. Beetle Bank Farm, which is just by York. It's been way too long for this. I'm awful at talking to the camera now. I hate talking to the camera in public.
Gorgeous is that?
What's this one's little name then? Dunno.
Let's go. I don't have any food left. So where did you go? Let's go wash our hands. Kind of going.
How's it hanging? Oh, can't get up. Come on, help him up then. You what? Hey. Gonna feed some sheep then?
How about you as well?
No, you feed the sheep.
Oi, who wants some food? Hi. Oh my god.
Carl, don't be scared.
But they're all after
give
me.
me
They're all after me. They're all after me.
Hello mate. You won't find much in your pocket mate, just glasses and a wind muff. Hi. I've never had so many cuddles.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera. This is one way to make it.
Phoebe, has anyone ever told you your baby's really ugly? Oh, an ugly baby! It's a well ugly baby! Look at its hair! It's like...
We had an accident as well.
Had an accident? What?
It's lost a finger.
Someone must have bit its finger off. Ow. Phoebe, have you been biting people again?
That one's,
Oh, big nose.
that one doesn't. He only sticks his like literally nose out. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my god, they're so soft. Look at that. Little.
It's got soft nose.
Not impressed.
He's
Like wipe my nose.
so cute.
And they got big nostrils though.
Clean though. No buggies.
Wipe your nose on her. Yeah, get your nose right in there.
Oh my guys.
That looks a little bit suspect. You're just trying to make a name for yourself. I think we're determined to get as many llamas in our videos as possible. We've just found a llama! Hiya mate, what's your name? What's your name? He's like Chloe.
No.
They smell. I think you've just farted, mate. You smell like poo.
Gives a snog, love.
Llama, 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 llama. You're a llama, llama.
Llama, llama.
Llama, 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 llama. What are you doing?
Oh.
Give him a big fat kiss. That's it.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, look, they're in love.
no.
No, he's not impressed. Sean, your breath must stink.
Not gonna lie, I do need a mint. Whoop. You tripped over again. What are you looking at, mate? What are you looking at? Are you looking at his bum? You're looking at his bum. Yeah, that's it. You eat. Ooh.
50p for each little pellet.
They're coming at every angle.
That's how popular we are that sheep run up to us. They're like, hey, give me some food.
It's scary, that
I want some food.
colour.
I want some food. So they're not like goats. Goats proper chomp on you, but they just sniff. That's some really warm breath right there.
It's at the sheep are, Chloe.
Oh yeah, the breath is actually warm.
Put your hand in there. There you go.
What were you expecting? He's not going to ask for a plate, is he? And a knife and fork.
Oh look at all that.
And you're trying to tell me that these pigs
Turnips.
eat veg? They eat veg and they look like this. You can shut up. You've been at the old chocolates, haven't you? Gosh, like a pigsty in here. Hey, you mush.
They're getting
Alright.
Get out of Sean's bum.
Stop climbing up my bum.
Meh.
I'm going to chat now.
What are you chatting about? Meh and a bit of meh. Maybe a bit of meh and a bit of meh.
You've seen when they do it. They
What?
go, nah.
Nah, meh. No. I've just realised I'm 34. Nice to meet you. 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 Pardon? He's having a go at me as I'm walking off. So, but if I was that creature and had those as wings, I'd find that really inconvenient to carry around.
Lovely colours. Lovely colours.
Bend over, let me see you shake your tail feathers.
Yeah.
He's got a neck of a ball bag.
Lovely feathers there. Oh, beautiful. That was like.
Wobbly nose.
That was like.
Oi, bollock chops.
Oh, he's not interested.
And again. Anybody get in? You speaking to me? And again.
This is so funny.
He's got a ball bottom. Sorry, did you laugh?